how to fix TikTok profile view option not showing. So if your TikTok profile view option is not showing or coming up, so that you cannot just click on this to see the list of people that currently viewed your TikTok profile, then this video is going to walk you through how to fix this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to fix TikTok profile view option not showing on Android or on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. Then once opened the TikTok app, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then on your TikTok profile page, go ahead and click on the three lines at the top right, which is the TikTok menu icon at the top right. Then here you have three options available here: TikTok Studio, My QR Code, and Settings and Privacy. Then go ahead, click on Settings and Privacy. Once you click on Settings and Privacy, scroll down the page and then locate Privacy and click on it. Then on the Privacy page, you want to scroll down the Privacy page until you get to Interactions, and under Interactions, scroll down until you see Profile Views. Then if your TikTok profile views is disabled, just click on this and make sure this is turned on. And once it's turned on, then the TikTok profile view will be fixable here, and then you have access to all people that have viewed your TikTok profile. However, if that is not the case you want to follow, you can just do it as simple as this. Under Privacy, once the TikTok profile view is turned off, let's say it is turned off here, then you can just come to this TikTok profile view button, click on it, then you should see Profile Views, then tap the turn on button to turn it on. So once that is turned on, then you can see your TikTok profile view. And once you turn on TikTok profile view under Privacy, you will be able to see the TikTok profile view options. So that is basically how to fix TikTok profile view option not showing on your account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.